this plant near Groningen, in the Netherlands, a shipment of commercial and industrial waste is being cleaned. An important final step on the road to becoming a renewable source of fuel. The recovery of waste to energy is not new. What is new, however, is the fuel source this waste will be converted into. It's called subcoal and is being brought to market by a Dutch company, N+P Group.
Subcoal is a waste-derived fuel and it's made from cardboard, paper and plastic which otherwise would go to landfill as a waste. It's a very clean fuel, it's high in energy content, and a feature that I'm very proud of, it's very low in moisture, which makes it easy to handle. And you add all those together and it means that this burns very, very efficiently. And finally, it's very cost effective.
Via the proprietary subcoal technology, the pellets can be ground to a fine powder that can be used to replace powdered fossil fuels in industrial furnaces.
Established in 1992, N+P Group's 2 subcoal factories in the Netherlands produce over 100,000 tons of subcoal pellets every year, helping cement, steel and power plants across Europe reduce both their energy costs and their ecological footprint. And soon, subcoal will be fueling these same sectors in the UK. This plant in Teesside became operational in 2019.
The business's vision for the UK market is close to 7 projects in the UK. Fundamentally, that will produce and manufacture circa 1.3 million tonnes of subcoal for us to market.
One such project is a collaboration with Cymec Atlantis, the owners of this old coal-fired power station in Uskmouth near Newport. It's in the process of being converted into a power station, burning biomass derived from non-recyclable waste materials, the first conversion of its kind in the world, and the alternative fuel produced here will be exclusively subcoal. Every year, about 850 kilotons of subcoal will be sent less than half a mile away to Cymec's Liberty Steel facility, making the steel produced from this plant not only more competitive, but also very green. It's a collaboration that N+P hopes to replicate around the world.
Through the production of subcoal and supply of alternative fuels, we can reduce the usage of fossil fuels, therefore reducing CO2 emissions when utilised in a coal-fired power station. But also additionally the avoidance of waste to landfill and what that contributes also into CO2 savings. We work to the basis that for every tonne of coal substituted with subcoal, there's a saving of 1.3 tonnes of CO2 emissions.
A challenge for N+P is to convince industries to convert from tried and tested fossil fuels to subcoal. And so an important value add for clients is the additional services that N+P provide.
We don't just manufacture the fuel, we have a very good understanding of the waste market, which is essential in this business. And the other thing that we have is we have operational know-how to produce the fuel. And the final thing is we don't just give the fuel to the companies, we go with the fuel and we offer process engineering support.
We hope that sooner or later the world will lose its dependency on fossil fuels. And when it does, perhaps subcoal will have become one of the most widely used substitutes.